Hi everyone, I'm here to introduce our automatic garden, and our objective is to realize a water system to water the plant automatically when it's relatively dry and the weather is not rainy. And this one is a photo sensor, that one is power supply for the pump, and that's relay for the pump, and that's ESP8266, and this is Arduino Duo, and that's a temperature and a humidity sensor, and that's LED. So, and that's a pump. So, first of all, we'll get the weather information from the internet by using this ESP8266, and if it's rainy, we'll output 1 from its serial port to Arduino Duo, and if it's not rainy, we'll output 0. And then as Arduino Duo, we will detect the weather information first. If it's not rainy, we'll see the humidity, temperature, and the lumen. When they are all in a appropriate threshold, we will try to water the plant. When it comes to the problem we met in the process, I'd like to introduce two of these problems. The first one is a connecting problem. While we were using this ESP8266 to get the information from the internet, we sometimes found that we cannot get any output from its serial port, and sometimes we cannot upload any code inside. I think these two problems both result from unstable connection, and some voltage on its pin is not correct. And the second problem is, at the beginning we were trying to use these ports in Arduino Duo to enable this pump, but finally we found that even we use a boost to make sure that the voltage is large enough, the current is not enough. So that's why finally we take this design that use a relay and a power supply to make sure this pump will work correctly. Hi, I'd like to introduce how the Wi-Fi module works. First of all, it will try to connect to the Wi-Fi, and if it's connected, it will print connected and print out the IP address. Then it will send a request to the website that can provide weather API, and it will close the connection and get the response from the internet, and it's a JSON version response. What we care about is the weather. It's here, cloudy now, and if it's heavy rain, light rain, storm, or only if it's raining, it will print 1 to its serial port, and now it's cloudy, so it will send 0 to its serial port to indicate that it's not raining. I want to introduce what the Arduino do. Actually, it will keep monitoring the serial port to see if there is any weather information coming, and if no, it will print out no weather information. Let's wait a minute, and now it received the 0, so it says not rainy. Let's think about the temperature and the humidity. If it received the 1, it means rainy. It will say we will not water now. And these temperature and humidity, they are actually not correct, because at the beginning you use the sensor cannot get the correct data. It should wait like 10 seconds. I just want to show you what would happen if we found that the temperature is 0 Celsius degree. It will say it's reading code, we do not water now. And let's wait till the sensor works properly. Now, if the humidity is relatively low and the temperature is between 0 to 30 Celsius degree, it will water. And let me show you what would happen in this process. It will keep water for 0.5 seconds like this. Yes. And now let's just put our humidity sensor inside, and it will, like, when the humidity is relatively high, it will stop soon. Now stopped. Okay, so it's success. Now the humidity goes like 93, so we'll say humidity is fine, we do not to water it. And let's think about the last function we want to realize is provide the extra light for the plant. Now the light is 1000, so it's fine. What I will do is hold the sensor, so now the lumen would soon be really low. And we are supposed to enable the LED. What we want to do is like, yeah, now the LED has been enabled. What we want to do is every 6 hours monitor the light for once and enable the LED for 3 hours. But now I just want to show you that we realize this function. So every 6 seconds we will monitor once and we will enable the LED for 3 seconds.